Devin was a very famous pizza delivery driver. You should check out his Ferrari. Alright, Devin. Congratulations on your beautiful car. So, Devin, the pizza delivery guy, was so famous as a pizza delivery guy that as he delivered to parties, he would be invited into the party also. So, Devin drives up in his beautiful car, and then he takes his pizza into the party, and they're so happy to see him. So, they each give them a tip. Well, not these people in the back, because they are ghosts. But these four people in the front, they give him tips. So blue shirt guy gives a tip, red dress lady gives a tip, yellow pants lady gives a tip, and orange shoes guy gives a tip. So our job is to determine how much the tips are and how much he earned total for that delivery. So I'm going to ask you to stop the video in just a second and then work on the tip. So Devin delivered $40 worth of pizza. Blue shirt guy gave a 5% tip. Red dress lady gave a 10% tip. Yellow pants lady gave a 15% tip. And orange shoes guy gave a 20% tip. So let's determine how much the tips are worth, and then we will add the total amount of tips to see how much money Devin earned from his latest delivery. So remember, when you're working with a percent, there are two steps. Step 1, change the percent to a decimal by dividing by 100. Step 2, multiply the decimal by the original amount. So, $40 is our original amount. So let's mark that here. That's 40. So we need to convert these decimals into a percent. So let's do that. Orange shirt guy, let's make some white space down here so we can write the decimals for each of these people and their tip amount. Okay, blue shirt guy, move that decimal twice to the left, and he's going to have a 0.05 for the decimal. The red dress lady, she's going to move the decimal twice to the left, and she's going to do 0.1 for her tip. And then yellow pants lady, move twice to the left and get 0.15. And then orange shoes guy, move the decimal twice to the left by dividing by 100, and you get 0.2. Now stop the video and multiply these amounts. 40 times 0.05, and tell me what you get. Move decimal twice to the left. So this guy paid $2. Is that what you got? Okay, stop the video again and find the tip for red dress lady. One decimal place. So it looks like she gave a $4 tip. Now let's determine the tip from the yellow pants lady. Stop the video, work the math, tell me what you get. Well, don't tell me what you get, just do it. Don't you think Devin needs a mustache? There we go. Okay, looks like $6 there. So now let's determine the tip from orange shoes guy. 40 times 0.2 is going to be 80 with 1 decimal place, or $8. Now add the money, and let's see how much you made. 2, 4, 6, and $8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. So Devin made $20 in tips. Good work, Devin.